I mean, the point of Space Camp is to cover lots of different areas. We want to get kids interested in STEM and look at potentially taking a STEM career. Not necessarily space, but we find that space as a context works as a really good way of inspiring kids to do science, technology, engineering, maths, computing anyway. You know, it's just so interesting. Coupled with that, the UK Space Agency and the UK space industry is growing. We're needing new talented young people coming through the pipeline that have a knowledge of space, that have the will to get into these kind of roles. And so giving them that little bit of a hint beforehand is just setting them up to then pursue those roles in the future.
It's been utterly amazing. It's been super enjoyable. I'm so excited, let alone the kids. It just sets you up for interviews, for life experiences, all the skills that you'll learn here. You've got something to talk about later on down the line. So when you're going for like university interviews or job interviews for the next 20 years, they'll ask questions and you can bring in what you've learnt here in this 1 week.
I think it's very interesting what we learn about, and it's a very fun experience, and I think especially like project work like this is very useful.
I've really enjoyed my time so far. It's because it's one of my passions, it's what I want to do in the future, so I get to sort of like, it's like a glimpse into my future, which is really cool for me.
I think it's definitely worth it. It's definitely been a very interesting experience. It's like, I don't think I've done anything like this in school before, and I don't think there would be many opportunities to do something like this again.
I think it's great. I mean, I wish I could stay here for a bit longer, because you just get to learn so much cool stuff and you get to understand like a few fundamentals. You can understand so much. It's really cool that like anyone could come in and contribute some new idea, build on this like amazing community and this wealth of knowledge that we have that is helping like the entire human race.